What if I told you that with just $5 a day, you could start building a financial future that you'll thank yourself for later? No, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about a simple, powerful habit that anyone can start today, and it all revolves around one app, Acorns. Most of us have a coffee, a snack, or something we spend $5 on every single day without a second thought. That's $35 a week. It's $150 a month. What if you could take that small, seemingly insignificant amount and put it to work for you? What if that $5 a day wasn't just spent, but invested? That's the core principle of Acorns. They make investing so easy and so accessible that it feels like you're just saving your spare change, except your change is actually growing. So, how do you make $5 a day work for you on Acorns? It's all about setting up a recurring investment. Open the app, go to the Invest section, and find the Recurring Investments option. From there, you'll set up a daily recurring deposit of $5. That's it. It's a one-time setup that then happens automatically, without you having to think about it. Now, you might be thinking, what does $5 a day really do? Let's do the math. $5 a day is about $150 a month. In a year, that's $1,825. Over 10 years, that's over $18,000 in contributions alone. And that's before we even talk about the magic of compounding. Your investments will earn returns, and those returns will start earning their own returns, creating a snowball effect over time. Acorns handles all the complex stuff, diversifying your portfolio, managing your risk tolerance. All you have to do is be consistent. The key here is consistency, not timing. It's not about trying to guess the perfect moment to invest. It's about a simple, disciplined habit. A daily $5 investment is about starting small and being patient. It's about building a foundation for your future self. It's about turning a small daily habit into a powerful long-term strategy. If you don't have an Acorns account yet, hit the link in the description to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.